My name is Dr. Adedeji Abdulkabir. I'm presenting economic courses offered by Center for Distance Learning, University of Maiduguri. We are going to look at the general introduction of the CDL economic courses. Then we look at a course example about the course, objectives of the course, learning outcomes, and course content. Then conclusion. In the general introduction, we have 27 courses in the first semester and 18 courses in every second semester, making total of 45 courses that we offer in each section. Each course is taught based on course material and on the basis of 2 hours per week per course. So during the interaction, interaction is online and the learning also is online. The tutoring are performed by tutors. The learning period is about 26 hours, minimum of 26 hours per semester. The activities cover instructional content in form of self-learning materials, self-assessment questions, in-test questions, assignments, and quiz. Continuous assessment is 30% and examination is 70%. This is the example of e-tutoring, how we engage our students online. So we chat with our students at times scheduled. The course example, for example, Echo 301. The course code is 301 and course title is Microeconomics 3. The credit unit of this course is 2 units. Period is 26 hours per semester. The course material developer is Professor Fumilola Fausat Ahmed, and the course coordinator is Adedeji Abdulkabir. Under this course, the course helps the student to gain in-depth insight of underlying economic theory, and also it tells the student what microeconomics entails. The objectives of the microeconomics. At the end of the course, the students are expected to understand consumer behavior theory, utility theory, resources allocation theory, production and production function, and solving the maximization and minimization problems. The learning outcomes of this course, for example, at the end of the course, the students should be able to apply some level of mathematics in solving optimization problems of production function and consumer behavior using Lagrangian analysis. At the end of the course, the student should be able to explain at least 2 different optimizing household behaviors, that is, under the consumption decision given their income. Also, they should be able to explain 2 different optimizing firm's profit maximization given available factor input, and the student should be able to make inferences from 2 theorems of economic models on their realistism in the real world. The course content, for example, are consumer demand theory, which explained how consumer maximizes their utility, and utility functions itself using the indifference curve. Then Slutsky substitution effect, how the consumer maximizes utility by substituting the expensive commodity to cheaper commodity. And the theory of revealed preference is also deal with how consumer eventually demand a basket of commodity that give them maximum utility. The theory of firms also is taught under this course, how the firm combine their productive input so as to maximize their utility. The cost functions, so in the short run as well as in the long run, the minimization and maximization problems is also discussed under this course. In conclusion, where the CDL is trying to answer all these questions, is the CDS open for registration? We can say yes. The registration of the courses under the CDL program is open, and we can also ask whether the content are open. Yes, the content also are open. Is the CDL program free of charge? No, it's not free of charge, but it is affordable. It is affordable, and then the credits are given, for the student. So the program has start date and end date. So we start from first semester and then and end the program by the end of the second semester. So rule of the instructor. So we have rules and regulations that guide our tutors, how they organize their online tutoring assignment for the students. Learning community, yes, the Center for Distant Learning open to all community, everywhere and anywhere. So the program is open and is online course. So that make it affordable and accessible to everybody. So the focus is on scalability. So to promote education, to extend education, to remote areas and to distant people, so that everybody will be educated. The focus on the community is also one of the objective of the CDL. So to connect with everybody in their respective areas. So thank you.